Good morning. Let's make some coffee. Next weekend, we are going camping again, and I'm so excited, but I need to start planning what we're gonna be eating. So, if you have any like cozy recipes that you would think would be great camping, let me know. Let me know. Kennedy wanted to say hi. Are you helping me make coffee? Hi, yeah. Hi, yeah. You want to help me pour the milk in? Want to help me? Want to help Mama? Ready? Can you help me? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Wow. Woo! Wow. You want some whipped cream too? You want whipped cream too? All right. See what it's looking like outside. Oh. We love a nice, crisp fall morning. I feel like beef stew is super cozy. However, it would kind of be a lot to prep it in the RV. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut all of the veggies and the meat and everything ahead of time. That way I kind of just have to throw everything in. Don't you think that beef stew would be really cozy camping?
Yeah.
All right, recess is over, everyone. Back in the house. Can you shut the door? Can you shut the door? Good job. The smoothie that I've currently been doing is frozen strawberries, wild blueberries. I do need to get more fruit this week. Honestly, I need to go to Trader Joe's like today, but I don't think I'm gonna have a chance to go there because we've got cleaning to do. I've been adding in spinach, but I don't have any spinach right now, so we're just gonna skip over that. Love the 2% Fage yogurt. I don't measure any of this, so like that much. Add in a little bit of peanut butter. I think I am gonna go to Trader Joe's though, maybe today, maybe tonight, because I do want to switch up. I kind of want to do like a strawberry pineapple smoothie for this week. Oh, just got on my neck. And blend. We are heading upstairs because maybe my mattress will come tomorrow. There's still no update on that, so that's fun. But I still need to put away all my clean clothes. Come on. So, gonna go do that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Happy Sunday. Bye.